And good day. Today we're having a look at this Winglight fixed version 3. So they're indicator lights for my little push bike. And they come with a couple of different adapters for the handlebar. You've got the one, this is the larger one here, and you've got smaller ones on the back. So we'll cut them free and have a bit of a look and see what they're like. There's one of them. And there's the other one. Now I believe they've got in the middle here a little protective thing for the battery. Oh, there it is. Take that off. Stick that back in. Screw it up. And supposedly if we press the button, there we go. Indicator. It's quite bright too. I've just been having a look at the batteries. There's two of them. They're standard CR2032s, and they're in a little plastic holder for them, so that's kind of nice. And this is the handle grip of my little push bike, and as you can see it's got a cover over here. This is a fake leather grip on it, hollow underneath, so I have to cut a little hole through there so that this thing will fit in there. Should go quite okay. And I'll be cutting the hole with my little tiny knife here, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully all will go well. Make that bigger. I've got to do a bit more work, it looks like there, so I'll have to cut around. Looks like it's got a filling of some type in there. Right, nearly there. I'll have to clean up the hole a little bit more, and I'll come back when it's done. And as you can see, I've cleaned out the hole a bit more. This now fits in, and we're going to tighten it up a tad. No, need to get it in a little bit more. So this bit hard to see here, but that thing there, if you turn it, it actually expands the rubber. It actually expands the rubber that's in there, so makes for a tighter fit. That's pretty tight, and I'll get that there. Looking good, happy with that. And here we are, we've got the little wing lights already installed. Just tap it, works. The other one also works, so you know which way I'm going. Hopefully a nice little safety feature. Now I've owned these little wing lights for quite a few months now, and I've been using them regularly. They work very well, haven't had any issues at all. Oncoming traffic can definitely see the little indicators on. I wish bikes came with them standard, because I think that's something that's definitely needed. And I would like to see like a handbrake where you can just simply pull it and the rear tail light acts as a brake. Maybe that's something I'll do down the track, I'm not certain at this point, but so far very happy with them. Would I recommend them? Yes, I'm quite happy to recommend them, and I think you'll be a lot safer and more visible on the road. Anyway, all the very best. Thanks for watching. Look, you may even decide to give me a thumbs up. I won't say no to it. And if you give me a thumbs down, so be it. But at least give me a reason why you think, you know, the video deserved a thumbs down, and perhaps I can use your suggestion to improve it in the future. Anyway, all the best. Catch you next time. Take care. Till then.